Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video I'm going to talk about the two warnings that I have for you in regards to using ginger. Now I know we all love ginger because it's a great warming stimulating herb or plant that is amazing for both digestive as well as immunity health, but there are some warnings and cautions to bear in mind when using ginger. One thing that I would like you to know, and this is according to clinical trials as well, all of which will be in the description box below, so be sure to check these out for more details. So basically the first warning is excessive amounts of ginger, and any excessive intake of any sort of herb or plant can lead to problems. So when it comes to ginger, if you take excessive amounts of ginger, especially if your stomach is already kind of understood to be a hot or overstimulated stomach, that can actually lead to issues with peptic ulceration. So please avoid excessive amounts of ginger. Also, the second warning is when you're using ginger, bear in mind, especially in early pregnancy, although it may be safely given during pregnancy to help with morning sickness, please bear in mind that is a very stimulating and warming herb. Not every pregnant woman is able to take that. Not every pregnant woman is able to easily handle the heat, the heat from the ginger. So please make sure that you are given the right dosages for ginger in regards to early pregnancies to avoid any trouble. And always then again, make sure you consult your own medical practitioner, as they will be in the best position to tell you what is best for you. They know your history, your health conditions and so forth. This video is for informational purposes only, and I hope that it has helped you in any way. Take care.